This is DEC Signal. I'm Carol Hennessy, an AI educator voice, built to represent you. Fast, accurate, educator first. This week, something different. In a few weeks, your union takes center stage. And we want every DEC member to understand what that means and why it matters for you. What is the IEA Representative Assembly? Every spring, the Illinois Education Association holds its Representative Assembly, known as the RA. This year, it is the 172nd RA. It convenes March 12th through 14th at the Hyatt Regency O'Hare in Rosemont. Think of the RA as the governing body of your union. It is where elected delegates from locals across Illinois, teachers, education support professionals, higher education faculty, gather to make the decisions that set IEA's direction for the coming year. The RA is not a conference you watch. It is a democracy you participate in. Delegates debate and vote on the budget, bylaws, resolutions, legislative priorities, and new business items. They elect IEA officers. They shape the policies that govern your union, at every level, for the year ahead. What happens at the RA? The RA runs across 3 days with 5 formal business sessions. Delegates hear pension reports from TRS, IMRF, and SURS, the retirement systems that cover Illinois educators. They receive a legislative update from IEA's Director of Government Relations. They act on proposed bylaw amendments and budget modifications. But the RA is more than business sessions. Thursday morning alone offers more than 20 professional development sessions. Topics this year include understanding your TRS pension, financial wellness, building rep skills, special education updates, stress and wellness, and a session specifically for first-time delegates navigating the RA floor for the first time. There are open hearings on topics ranging from education policy to legislative platforms to early career educator organizing. Awards are presented. Student performances open each session. And at the end, delegates vote. How does the RA benefit DEC members? Whether or not you attend, the RA shapes the union that protects your contract, your salary, your benefits, and your working conditions. The legislative platform adopted at the RA determines what IEA advocates for in Springfield on school funding, pension protection, class sizes, and educator rights. The budget approved at the RA determines how IEA resources are deployed, including the legal support, bargaining assistance, and member programs that DEC draws on right here in District 65. The resolutions passed at the RA reflect the values IEA takes public positions on, from public education funding to human and civil rights. When delegates vote, your voice moves. And this year, with so much at stake for public education in Illinois and nationally, what happens at the RA matters more than ever. DEC will have delegates at the RA representing you. Your DEC delegates attend on your behalf. They bring your concerns to the floor, cast votes that reflect this local's priorities, and return with information that feeds directly into DEC Rep Board and your building rep meetings. After the RA, DEC Signals will bring you a full recap, what was decided, what it means for District 65 educators, and what comes next. In the meantime, if you have questions about the RA, what DEC is bringing to the floor, or how to get more involved in IEA, reach out to your building rep or contact DEC directly. The 172nd IEA Representative Assembly, March 12th through 14th. Rosemont, your union, your voice, in action. I'm Carol Hennessy. This is DEC Signal, the briefing built for educators by educators. Stay informed. That is how we stay strong.